Hello. Today you'll be doing lab stations for Symbiosis. If you remember, you can actually take these check marks and move them over here as you complete each station. So you're going to watch the video for Watch It and then answer these three questions. Please answer them thoroughly and make sure you're actually taking the information from the video. Do not Google these questions. I will mark them wrong. As you're doing Read It, make sure that you are taking notes on each of the bolded words. You will need these again during Assess It, so it really would save you time if you put the definitions here because you will need them later. Continue reading here and continue with the definitions. After you complete Read It, there are these questions to answer. Please put only the correct letter in the blank, not the entire answer. So explore part one. You're going to read this information. And if you look, there are questions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then you will continue with 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 here. You're going to go to this website, research it, read the information on the article, explore the video below the article. So if you go to this, you will see that here's information that you need, and then there is a video. Watch the video as well. Okay. Organize it. So all of these boxes are not necessarily underneath the correct heading. So for commensalism, you need to put whatever ones are commensalism. Mutualism here and parasitism there. Okay, so this says draw an example of one of the three types of symbiosis. You are able to put a picture there from the internet. I would recommend that. And that's all you have to do here. There's no labeling. You're just putting it, putting the type, one of the types of symbiosis here. So just find a picture, put it there. Then you're going to explain mutualism, provide an example. This is important because this will be marked wrong if you do not complete the entire question. Again, same thing. Answer the question, provide the example, answer the question, provide the example. Finally, here we are with Assess It. Please put only the correct letters here, not the entire answer. And here's where you're going to be using your vocabulary, and you're going to put the answers here that would fill in the blank. Finally, for Challenge It, you can make a poster, do an acrostic, write a story, or do a research report. Let's take a look at those. So you can do this actually on a Google Doc, or you could make another Google slide, or if you want to do it on paper, you can. And if you do, please attach it to your assignment. Do not paste it on this slide. So what you're going to do is label each quadrant, and then you're going to describe and illustrate what type of relationship it is. So that is one of the challenges. You are required to do a challenge it. Please do not skip this. You can do an acrostic for the word symbiosis that describes different symbiotic relationships. So when we say an acrostic, S would stand for a word. You would write the symbiosis down the left-hand side of a paper, and then you would have a word that starts with S that is about symbiotic relationships, and then a word that starts with Y, and then a word that starts with M. You can write a short story about the symbiotic relationship between two fictional organisms. If you do that, do it on a Google. You can actually write it right here, or you could do it on a Google Doc and then attach it to your assignment. Finally, you can do a research report. If you found one of the organisms interesting when we were learning about symbiotic relationships, you can write a report or do a research report about it. But make sure you do one of them. And if you have any questions, of course, you always can let me know. Okay, have a great day.